How can I reduce my brow bone? This kind of depends on what your anatomy looks like. For most people, you have a type 3 forehead. That means that on the frontal sinus here, that's what's contributing to that heavy brow bone. So what we do is contour the bone around it, as well as the front part of that frontal sinus bone, to be able to set that back and make it nice and flat. There are people that only have bone right here. They don't have a frontal sinus, in which case we would just contour that down. And then other people where above that is low, and so we actually fill that in. Is a brow bone reduction painful? Surprisingly, it's really not. Despite it being a surgery in which we're moving bones around and you have an incision that's at the hairline, most people say it's really just not that painful. It's a little bit uncomfortable because of course you've had surgery. Some people can have some nausea with it, mostly because it's surgery and you have anesthesia. But most people say it's much better than what they thought it would be. Is brow bone reduction dangerous? No, this should not be a dangerous procedure, but this also should be performed by someone who knows the anatomy very well and is someone who does these surgeries all the time. There are things around this frontal sinus and this brow bone that are very important, obviously, that we want to make sure you're safe and you're away from, such as the frontal sinus, the ducts, and the brain is right there. So you want somebody that absolutely knows their anatomy, that has a CT scan to show them exactly what your anatomy is before they go into surgery. How much does a brow bone reduction cost? This depends on your surgeon, your location, where you are in the country, and exactly what you're having done to reduce your brow bone. But this can run anywhere from $4,000 up to $10,000. Have questions? Call or email anytime. I help people like you every day. Schedule a consultation on my website now. Thanks for watching.